Ever wondered what auto insurance is and why it's so crucial? Well, let's break it down. Auto insurance, in its simplest form, is a type of insurance that cushions you financially in the event of an accident. Picture this. You're driving along, and out of nowhere, an accident happens. In the blink of an eye, you're faced with the cost of repairs to your vehicle, possible medical bills, not to mention the potential loss of your car. It's in these moments that auto insurance becomes your financial safety net, swooping in to cover these unexpected expenses. In certain states, auto insurance is not just a safety net, it's a legal necessity. Imagine being pulled over and not being able to provide proof of insurance. The consequences can range from fines to license suspension, and in some cases, even jail time. Having auto insurance in these states is not just about protecting your wallet, it's about staying on the right side of the law. But the importance of auto insurance extends beyond legal requirements. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that if the unexpected happens, you're not alone. You've got a plan in place to help navigate the financial aftermath of an accident. It's about the freedom to drive with less worry, knowing that you're covered. Auto insurance is not just a piece of paper or another item to tick off your to-do list. It's your financial shield, your legal protector, and your peace of mind. It's a crucial part of responsible car ownership, and one that shouldn't be overlooked or underestimated. Now that we've got the basics down, let's delve into the different types of auto insurance. So, what are the main types of auto insurance, you ask? Well, let's dive right into it. There are two primary types of auto insurance: liability insurance and comprehensive insurance. But what do they cover and how do they differ? Let's break it down. Firstly, we have liability insurance. This is a crucial part of any auto insurance policy, and in many places, it's a legal requirement. In essence, liability insurance covers the costs of damage you inflict on another person's property or person in an accident. Picture this. You're having an off day and you accidentally rear-end someone's car. Liability insurance steps in to cover the cost of the damage to the other car and any medical expenses for injuries they may have suffered. But what about your own vehicle? That's where comprehensive insurance comes into play. Comprehensive insurance, sometimes referred to as other than collision coverage, covers the cost of damage to your own car, regardless of who is at fault in the accident. So, if that rear-end accident we talked about earlier was your fault, comprehensive insurance would cover the repair costs for your own vehicle. But comprehensive insurance goes even further than that. It also covers damage from things like fire, theft, vandalism, and even natural disasters. So if a tree falls on your car during a storm, or if your vehicle gets stolen, comprehensive insurance has your back. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what's the difference between the two? Well, the main difference lies in what they cover. Liability insurance covers the damage you cause to others, while comprehensive insurance covers damage to your own vehicle, regardless of who caused it. Think of liability insurance as the basic level of coverage. It's there to ensure that if you cause an accident, the other party isn't left footing the bill. On the other hand, comprehensive insurance is like an extra layer of protection. It's there to safeguard your own vehicle against all sorts of mishaps, whether they're your fault or not. So, in a nutshell, liability insurance is about protecting others from any mishaps you might cause, while comprehensive insurance is about protecting you and your vehicle. Understanding these types of auto insurance helps you to know what's covered. But what are the benefits of having auto insurance? That's an excellent question, which we'll tackle in the next part of our discussion. Stay tuned. Why should you consider getting auto insurance? That's a question that's been asked by many, and rightfully so. After all, it's not just a matter of compliance with the law, but it's also about safeguarding one's financial well-being and ensuring peace of mind. So, let's dissect the benefits of auto insurance. Firstly, consider the financial protection it offers. An accident isn't something we plan for. It's an unanticipated event that can leave us with a hefty bill. That bill could include car repairs, medical expenses, and even potential legal costs. Now, imagine having to face all that without any financial backup. It paints a grim picture, doesn't it? But with auto insurance, you don't have to worry about these expenses eating into your savings. Your policy can shoulder the burden, protecting you from financial ruin. Then there's the peace of mind that comes with having auto insurance. Driving involves a certain degree of risk. There's always the chance of an accident, no matter how careful a driver you are. But knowing that you're covered in the event of an accident can take a lot of stress off your shoulders. You don't have to live in constant worry about what might happen if you're involved in a crash. That peace of mind can make your time on the road a lot more enjoyable. Lastly, let's not forget the legal protection auto insurance provides. In many states, driving without insurance isn't just a risky move, it's against the law. If you're caught, you could face fines, license suspension, and even jail time. But with auto insurance, you're not just complying with the law, you're also protecting yourself from potential legal complications. And there's more. In the event that you're involved in an accident with an uninsured driver, your insurance can step in to cover the costs. This is especially significant considering that 1 in every 8 drivers is uninsured, according to the Insurance Research Council. In a nutshell, auto insurance serves as a safety net, catching us when we fall and protecting us from the financial and legal repercussions of an accident. It provides us with the confidence to drive without worry, knowing that we have a backup plan in place should things go awry. Seeing the benefits, it's clear why having auto insurance is a smart move. But how do you choose the right one for you? Well, that's a topic for our next discussion. Stay tuned. Choosing the right auto insurance can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've got you covered. The first thing you need to consider when choosing auto insurance is your budget. How much can you afford to pay for insurance each month? This will largely depend on your income, expenses, and financial goals. Remember, auto insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Rates can vary significantly depending on factors such as your driving record, age, and the type of car you drive. A sports car, for instance, will typically cost more to insure than a compact car. Next, it's important to consider your needs. What kind of coverage do you need based on your driving habits and lifestyle? If you frequently drive long distances, you might want to consider a policy that offers roadside assistance. If you live in an area prone to severe weather, comprehensive coverage, which covers damage to your car caused by events like hailstorms or floods, may be a wise choice. On the other hand, if your car is older and has a low market value, it might not make financial sense to purchase comprehensive and collision coverage. Instead, you might opt for liability coverage, which covers the cost of damage you cause to another person's property or person in an accident. Furthermore, you might want to consider additional coverage options, such as uninsured motorist protection, which can cover costs if you're hit by a driver without insurance, or personal injury protection, which can cover medical expenses no matter who's at fault in an accident. Now let's talk about comparison shopping. It's crucial to get quotes from several different insurance companies before making a decision. Each company uses its own formula to determine rates, so prices can vary widely from one insurer to another. When comparing quotes, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. That is, ensure each quote includes the same types and amounts of coverage. And don't just focus on price. Consider the company's reputation, customer service, and claim handling process. You might find it helpful to read online reviews or ask friends and family for recommendations. Lastly, don't forget to ask about discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for things like safe driving, having multiple policies with the same company, or even for having certain safety features on your car. Remember, choosing auto insurance isn't just about finding the cheapest policy. It's about finding the best coverage for your needs at a price you can afford. It might take some time and effort, but the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're adequately protected is well worth it. Choosing the right auto insurance requires thoughtful consideration. But remember, it's an important investment that can save you a lot in the long run. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and choosing auto insurance. We've journeyed together through the intricacies of this essential protection, shedding light on its various facets. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We've explored the 2 main types of auto insurance, liability and comprehensive. Liability insurance, as we discussed, covers the cost of damage you cause to another person's property or person in an accident. On the other hand, comprehensive insurance covers the cost of damage to your own car, no matter who's at fault in an accident. We also delved into the numerous benefits of auto insurance. Not only does it provide financial protection, saving you from potentially catastrophic expenses in the event of an accident, but it also offers peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered in case of an unfortunate incident can make the world of difference when you're out on the road. And let's not forget the legal aspect. In many states, auto insurance isn't just a wise choice. It's a legal requirement, further emphasizing its importance. Finally, we touched on how to select the right auto insurance. We emphasized the importance of considering your budget, identifying your needs based on your driving habits and lifestyle, and the power of comparison shopping. It's crucial to gather quotes from multiple insurance companies, allowing you to find the best fit for you and your vehicle. This journey through the world of auto insurance has hopefully provided you with a clear understanding of its importance, as well as the tools to make an informed choice. While it may seem like just another expense, the value of auto insurance goes beyond mere dollars and cents. Remember, auto insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's a safeguard for your peace of mind and financial stability. So do your research, compare your options, and drive with confidence knowing you're covered.